Good evening, friends. This is time for Trade Wrap for 5th of January 2021. Now let's quickly have a look on the S&P 500. After all kinds of volatility yesterday, S&P 500 is trying to make some sort of a weak comeback. Nothing confident. It went up, I think, 150 odd points, but since then has retreated. So I don't think that really helps our cause. Um, so I think S&P 500 can at best be described flat. On the Nifty, we had a mildly positive day compared to the Bank Nifty, and still a higher closing. And for many days now, this has been a trend that if you get any sort of gap down, etc., you have to buy. Today, we held on to the daily pivot and started to move up. So on the Bank Nifty, we held yesterday's low and the range low. On the Nifty, you can see here, this 200 on 5 minute roughly is the pivot. So we held this zone and moved up. But obviously the big trade happened on Bank Nifty. Okay, it gapped down into yesterday's low. Also, this was the lower end of the support range. And from there, you had a very strong upside move. For the day, the sort of stocks we did early in the morning, Axis Bank broke out, and these four bars indicated something big is going on there. So the moment it started to correct, this was where we entered, and from there the stock just skyrocketed along with other banks. So the important thing was to be able to identify where the money was rushing in today. HDFC, again, big strong bar early in the morning, started to consolidate here, and this was somewhere we got in, and again it started to move up. On BTST, we did Shriram Transport, again gap down into 200 and started to move up very strongly. So this is something we've carried home. Chances are we could see some upside here, maybe as soon as tomorrow. And basically the financials worked as BTSTs. Now, what do we do for tomorrow? See, that A-class trade happened today. Now, what you want to do is not chase. If you gap up, say 150, 200 points, you don't want to chase on banks and you don't want to chase on the Nifty. What we need is some kind of a gap down into support, and Bank Nifty support is 31,500, 550, and Nifty support maybe is about 14,150 thereabouts. But clearly this is not a chasing market. US also is not moving up too strongly, but for the foreseeable future, I think financials now look like a stronger upside move than the IT or the pharmas. So that should be it for the day. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.